Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove banana stains from clothes. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have an old shirt of mine and I'm going to be using this as an example for showing you how to remove banana stains from clothing just like this. Now, essentially, I have 4 young kids, so I am very familiar with banana stains and blueberry stains and strawberry stains and any type of stain from fruit or food on clothing, okay? So I'm going to show you and tell you about the steps that I use to remove the stains easily. Let's get into this video. And this is my workout shirt, which is why it's kind of faded, which is why I chose it for this video, because it sort of looks like similar to what it would look like if it had a banana stain on it. So there are essentially 5 simple steps that I use to remove banana stains from clothing. The first step, step number 1, is to scrape off as much of the banana as possible from the clothing. You can use a spoon for this. You can also use a blunt knife or a fork. I like to use a spoon because it is a rounded sort of edge, so it allows you to maneuver it in different ways, and it has this filled in portion, unlike a fork, which allows you to collect the banana. So just use your spoon, and you want to sort of scrape up as much of the banana as possible while trying not to spread it around. You don't want to spread it around, you want to sort of scrape it off of the clothing and up, like that. And you can wash the spoon after a couple of scrapes, after every few scrapes. This way you can ensure that you are not spreading it around, or spreading it around as little as possible. So that's step number 1, scrape it off, preferably using a spoon. Step number 2 is to use water to remove as much of the stain initially as possible. So you're just going to get some water like this, and you're going to go and dab it on the stained area. When you dab it on the stained area, it's going to do a good job at lifting as much of that banana as possible. Now, this is just the initial. You're going to essentially use this to sort of lift up as much of the stain as possible. At this point, you can go with the spoon again if you want to and scrape off more banana if you possibly can. But as long as you get water on there, that's going to help you out. Step number 3 is to get some of your favorite dish soap. I just like to use Dawn over here, and put some dish soap on it, okay? So just put a little bit of dish soap, not a lot. You just need a little bit of dish soap, just about that much. And you want to essentially get that dish soap and you want to foam it up over the banana stained area. Now try not to spread it around. Like I said, try not to spread the stain around. Just get the soap and foam it up over the banana stained area like that. And you're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. When you let that sit for 5 minutes, it's going to lift up even more of the stain than it did before, okay? So after you've let it sit for 5 minutes, you can move on to step number 4, which is to rinse off the dish soap. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to rinse this off under, running water. I'm just going to put some water on it now because I'm not going to, you know what, I'm going to remove the shirt, and I'll remove the shirt and I'll rinse it under running water over here because I have a faucet. I'm filming this in my basement bathroom, so I have a faucet right over here with the vanity. So obviously you would remove this soap as well. I just quickly washed it. But you're going to remove all of this dish soap from the stained area. And then step number 5, the last step, is that you want to wash this in your washing machine separately. So wash this in your washer separate from any other article of clothing, and you want to use basically the best quality detergent that you can get your hands on. A higher quality detergent is going to do a better job at removing the stain while not spreading it around. And you want to wash it separately. Now obviously if you have other banana stained clothing, you can wash them together, but try not to wash this with other clothing that is not stained, okay? And that's basically it. That is how to remove banana stains from clothes, an easy tutorial. Once you wash it in your washer, you should have basically removed as much of the banana stain as you possibly can. And that's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.